Okay, guys. This is in a garage, in a garage that's been turned into a rec room. In the back side, it's a laundry room. So when you walk into that back room behind the garage, the first set of cabinets on the right, this full height cabinet goes there. The right side's against the wall. On the left, this wall is to the left. There's a ladder into that attic here, a plywood wall here. That's where this wall goes. This goes above the washer and dryer. On the far wall on the left, this side's against the plywood wall, is this run of cabinets. There's a safe that sits here, and then this is where the water heater is going to go. They're going to pull out the water heater, set the cabinet. We can cut a hole in the top for the vent, and then the water heater is going to sit inside of this cabinet. 99 inches to the top. Set the toe kick, skin it with 3/4 inch material. The wall to the left where the ladder is, the top of this will be 99. They're going to put the handles on. Somebody else is doing the countertops against the plywood wall right here above the washer and dryer. Again, the top of this will be 99. 54 inches off the floor. The safe, these guys are 64 off the floor. Plywood wall here. And then the water heater cabinet. There's no partition here. We can cut a hole in the shelf, cut a hole in the top for the vent pipe. That is it. Thank you.